Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check airspace using the B4UFLY app and website. So this tool created by the FAA and LAANC helps ensure that you're flying legally. And before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more drone related content. With over 869,000 registered drones and 331,000 certified remote pilots in the US, checking airspace is essential to avoid congestions and ensure safety. B4UFLY helps you do just that. The app, available for Android, iOS, and on the web, was released by the FAA in 2016 and improved in 2019 when LAANC took over. It's user-friendly and it is free. So here is how to use it. Go to the website and click log in at the top right. Choose log into free and sign up if you haven't already. So once you're logged in, you will see a map of the US and you can select your location. If there is no airspace restrictions, you'll see a green let's fly message. If restrictions exist, you will need to fill in flight details like time, altitude, and whether you are flying commercially. You'll need to fill in flight details like time, altitude, and whether you're flying commercially or recreationally. If it is approved, you will see a green mission and can proceed. If the screen turns yellow, your request is under review. If it turns red, flying in that area isn't allowed without additional permission. The platform also has other features like flight logs and risk assessment, which are worth exploring. So thank you so much for watching. That is it for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and happy flying.